Hey you guys, what's up? I was just going to post this real quick video on how to tint your lace as a quick touch-up. Normally I would apply the mousse along with a little bit of gel prior to installing the wig, or actually after the unit is attached, and use a little bit on the edges. This is just a quick video on how to use it as a small touch-up area. So when we were doing the photo shoot, we noticed that the lace was a little bit lighter than what we would like for it to be, so we just used a little bit of the mace just around the front hairline to darken it a little bit. But since the lace was already tinted, we really didn't need that much. And I also don't really use the mousse throughout the hair. I just only use it for where the lace areas are, and then smooth it down. You don't see it on the video, but after that I normally would put an elastic band around the hairline, melt the lace, and then that's it. I mean, it's pretty much simple. You can use this as a quick touch-up area for the areas where your lace has gotten a little bit lighter and it's showing a little bit through more than what you would like, or you can do it for the initial install around the full front hairline or around the full lace if you're wearing a full lace wig. So hopefully this is a quick video to help. I'm going to do a longer, lengthier video later on this week to give you all the information that you need for this lace tint mousse. All right, talk to you soon. Peace.